Guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in 2019 outdoor DIY and decor challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. I will have her channel linked down below as well as the playlist for this challenge. So I have decided to give you a tour of my back deck and patio. So I will insert the picture of me getting my planters ready, and also I did a little DIY on a hurricane lamp. I think that's what they're called, or this vase over here. So I will insert these here. Here is the backyard that needs a little bit of TLC. I have some empty pots that I'm going to be putting some planters in. I had bought these and that big one, and then I want to plant some flowers. So that's the first step. I will be washing these as well.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better.
The thing that I'm gonna do after now that I have washed them is I'm going to plant the flowers into this one, and the plan is to put these, but if some of them don't fit, they'll go into here. So before I plant, I'm gonna turn this dirt over and add some new dirt, as well as some of this all-purpose organic fertilizer. And I just wanted to share with you, this is my new little caddy for my gardening tools, so that way they all keep together, because I keep losing them in the garage. And I had picked this up for $4 at a garage sale, and it was brand new. I'm pretty sure it's 31, and I think it just fits all the supplies that I need. So I have a little rake, bulb planter, or is it a bulb planter? It's a plant cell pack, fertilizer. Then I have couple different shovels, then I have a dirt shovel to scoop up dirt. I have some twist ties, a spray bottle, and a de-weeder, and another little shovel. Just don't really need that many shovels, but I stuck all the shovel everything that I found that I could use, I put it in here, so that way I'm never without. All I'm needing is shears, which I can't find where they are. Pretty sure my mother-in-law took them.
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. Like I'm better
Now that I had turned some of this dirt over, it doesn't appear I'm gonna need too much adding of dirt. So here it is. I planted most of them, and then I put the lavender separate. I think this is gonna go on the table. Now I'm going to put the little cast iron pots. I'm gonna put the planters in them. Here they are. I had removed the little hanging things. They were quite easy to remove. Well, let me show you the other one. Right there. I think they look beautiful and super, obviously very easy. Big one inside, and it fits perfectly in. And I think once it flowers, it's gonna look really good. And then over here I'm gonna go my herbs, but they're not quite ready yet to come out. Up some stuff from last year that I had for this table, and I'm not loving the way this is looking, so I think I'm gonna do a little DIY to it to make it look better. So I have some of this jute rope left over from a different project, so I think I'm gonna wrap this up with it using some hot glue and see how it withstands the weather.
It's gonna be okay. 'Cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change. 'Cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, summer, oh. If I wait till the summer, summer, oh. But if I wait till the summer, summer, oh. I know it will be better, better, oh, oh, oh. If I wait till the summer, I know it will be better, oh, oh.
So here it is. I think it just added another texture to the decor. I would like to have a different tray, but I just don't know how a different tray would withstand the elements. So this one worked last year really well without rusting, so I think I'm just gonna keep it. And it does match my cushions, so it ties it all in well. Now let me give you a bit of a tour. So on my back deck, so to kind of give you a full view, we have these lights which look really pretty. I will insert a photo if I can find one with the lights on here. And this is pretty much our cooking area. So the barbecue's here, little sitting area where we enjoy our morning coffee on the weekends. And I just have a basil plant there and a lantern and a citronella candle that had come from the dollar store. The two chairs have and the table had come from Marshall's or HomeSense. They're together where I live. So and the cushions were from the dollar store. They get quite a bit of sun here, so I always found everything that I put on those chairs had discolored, so I just get the cushions at the Dollarama right now. Then over here I just have the planters that you saw, and I also just yesterday replanted my herbs from inside to outside. Hopefully they will catch. And then moving on to down here is my place setting. I absolutely love this table. It had come from Lowe's, and I didn't buy the way they had it set up. I bought different chairs because I wanted to have an option of not having cushions or having cushions. And these were great because they're comfortable without the cushions, but I think the cushions add different texture to the setting, so I like using them, and I think they kind of go really well with my theme. So let me start over here. A lot of the stuff had come from Marshall's. So the planters are in cast iron pot here, and I also have a cast iron pot over there. They were the black ones that were really popular a while back, but they were starting to get rusty, so I had spray painted them a few years back, and the paint has held up pretty good. And I just, like you saw, put hanging baskets into this one and just snipped the hanging part off. Then this is just an extra pot that I added yesterday because I needed another pot. And then these 3 pots had come from Terra Greenhouses, which is a local greenhouse near us. So and they were very good deal. I purchased them 3 years ago. The little cooler that's over here had come from Marshall's as well. And I like the bottom storage area because I will put extra water or extra drinks that don't fit in a cooler if we're having a large party, or I'll put extra cups or whatever extras that I have, I'll place on the bottom. Then the only thing that I didn't do that I was hoping to do for this video is add a bit of a backdrop here, whether it'll be a planter with tall bamboo or something for the wall. I just have not found anything that speaks to me yet, so that's a work in progress. If I do find anything, I will put it on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're not already. The link is down below. And now moving on to the table itself. So the blue placemats had come from Dollarama. The plates are from Marshall's, and I think they're two different ones. So these are Justin and Colin, the big ones. And well, actually they're both Justin and Colin collection, and I'm pretty sure these cups are as well. The little wine glasses, and everything is shatterproof. So the wine glasses had come from Dollar Store as well. And then this little caddy had come from Dollarama. Then I have over here, so as you saw, I've had that for a few years, so it kind of started to rust, so I added the rope, which I think it added so much to it. I really like the way it looks. The little lantern had come from Dollarama. Then I just have a lavender plant here because they do say that it repels mosquitoes, and then a citronella candle from the Dollar Tree, and the tray itself had come from Dollarama as well. This little pitcher that is great because it holds ton of water was part of this collection, which I'm pretty sure is Justin and Colin as well. And then moving on to here, I have again the same chairs that have come from Marshall's, and then that cast iron planter. This one catches a lot of wind, so I often have to turn it so it doesn't get too damaged. Just to give you a bit of a back look, I really like the way it looks. I like the way it looks when I'm entertaining. So the only thing that's missing on these tables is cutlery and napkins, and I usually try to coordinate the napkins to the place setting. And this is a little planter that I made myself. The pot had come, it was black again, had come from Home Depot long time ago, spray painted it to match everything, and then I just planted some flowers in it. And I also over here planted some lemongrass and lavender because I wanted it to repel mosquitoes, because they say it repels mosquitoes. I had added several new plants into my garden. If you haven't watched my vlogs from Thursday, I kind of shared the plants that I had purchased to plant in the yard. The firebird should be more in the middle than off there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much, Christina from the DIY Mommy, for hosting this challenge. I really enjoyed participating in it, and make sure you check out all the videos in the playlist, because there's going to be some great ideas for you to get from all these videos. So thanks again, and if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe, press the notification button, join my fun family, YouTube family, and see what we do here. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.